How does the decision tree predict a given output? Suppose you are calculating technical indicator values of the S&P 500 index close values. These are ADX, fast-moving average minus the slow-moving average. If the ADX value increases, in comparison to the previous day, you write it as 1. And if the fast-moving average minus the slow-moving average is positive, you write it as 1. If not, then you will write it as 0. You pass these input features to the decision tree model. Now, there are 100 instances where both the input features are 1. The decision tree sees that when both features were 1, the S&P 500 index value went up 52 times. And the S&P 500 index went down 48 times. So, if both input features were 1, the probability that the index will go up is 0.52. The decision tree learns that if both features are 1, it is more likely that the index will go up than down. This is why the decision tree will predict that the S&P 500 index will go up if both features are 1 during testing. If both the input features are 1, will you be confident that the index will always go up? You are not sure that the index will always go up, as the times it went up is only 8% more than the times it went down. Let's see another instance where both the input features are 0. This happened 100 times. And the decision tree sees that out of 100 times, 30 times the index went up and went down 70 times. So the decision tree learns that if both input features are 0, there is a 0.7 probability that the index will go down. Hence, the decision tree will predict that the S&P 500 index will go down if both features are 0 during testing.